Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Give me your resume.
Okay, sir.
You are Vaishnavi, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about yourself, Vaishnavi.
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Vaishnavi. I am from Kamareddy, currently staying in Hyderabad. I have completed my BTech at Avian Institute of Engineering and Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering uh, in the year of 2022. And I have completed my intermediate at Ushodaya Mahila Junior College, and I have completed my schooling at Indur High School. And coming to my projects, my minor project is FBI crime rate using machine learning with data analysis, and my major project is predicting flight delay with error calculation using machine learning classifiers. I am good at Java, manual testing, automation testing, Python, and basics of C, C++, and SQL. And my strengths are I am self motivated, flexible, and can work as a team and as an individual. Coming to my family background, we are four in our family, including me. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Your technical skills manual and automation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is testing?
Testing comparison between the actual values to the expected value is called testing.
What is verification?
Before developing the application, testing the various documents and various stages to check whether are we going to develop the right application or not is called verification.
Okay, what is a bug?
Bug. The defect accepted by the developer is called bug.
Okay, what is validation?
Validation after developing the application, testing the application to check whether we have developed whether it is working according to the client requirement or not is called validation.
Okay, explain prototype model.
Prototype model, it is one of the incremental models and best suitable for big size of projects. We choose this model when client requirements are very confusing, and instead of developing the main application, first we will develop the dummy application. It is called as prototype. A prototype is demonstrated to the client. If client says any changes, again we will develop the dummy application. This process continues until the client approves the dummy application. Once the client approves the dummy application, we will develop the main application by implementing all the SDLC activities. The advantages of this prototype model is suitable for big size of projects and client satisfaction is there, customer satisfaction and client changes are included. And disadvantages of this prototype model is not suitable for small size of projects, very expensive and time taking model.
Okay, what is smoke testing?
Smoke testing. Testing conducted on the earlier builds to check whether the build is stable or not is called smoke testing.
What is sanity testing?
Testing conducted on later builds to check whether all the requirements are available or not is called sanity testing.
Okay, what is the purpose of smoke and sanity testing?
Purpose of smoke and sanity testing is whether we have to conduct further testing or not is called purpose of smoke and sanity testing.
Okay, what is positive testing?
Positive testing. Testing conducted on uh, application functionality of the application with valid input data to check whether all are working according to the requirement or not is called positive testing.
Okay, what is negative testing?
Testing conducted on the functionality with invalid input data to find any defects are found is called negative testing.
Okay, explain HDLC.
SDLC. SDLC abbreviation is Software Development Life Cycle. The major activities involved in developing the application is called SDLC. The various activities involved in SDLC are software bidding, kickoff meeting, project initiation note, gathering client requirements, project planning, design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. First one, uh, software bidding. In this, it is first stage of SDLC model. In this, the CEO of the company and the client will make an about the project is called software bidding. And kickoff meeting, the CEO of the company will conduct a meeting and assign the project manager to the project is called kickoff meeting. Any start of meeting is known as kickoff meeting. And the project initiation note, in this project manager will come gather some requirements, basic requirements about the project, like duration of the project and who is the client and the domain of the project, and write it in a note is called project initiation note. Next one, gathering client requirements. According to the domain of the project manager select the business analyst. This business analyst talk with the client and collect all the requirements uh, of the client and write it in a document called BRS document. And next one is project planning. In this, the project manager and along with his team make a plan to execute the project. Next one is design. After reading the BRS document, the system architect will come to know the requirements of the client and make a design is called design. And next one is coding. After reading the BRS document, the developer will understand the client requirements and write it and develop the code, and he develop the application, start developing the code and develop the application. Next one is testing. After reading BRS document, the tester will come to know the client requirements, understand the client requirement. Then after developing the application by the code, the tester will test the application. If any defects are encountered, they are reported to the developer. The next one is deployment. After fixing all the defects, the application is placed in some server to use for the client is called deployment. And next one is maintenance or support. The application, if the client faces any issues, the software company while using the if client faces any issues while using the application, the software company will provide the support to the client is called SDLC.
Okay, what is GUI testing?
GUI testing. Testing conducted on web pages present in the application is called GUI testing. The checklist in this, they check whether the web elements are available or not, check whether the web elements are present in the desired location or not, check whether the company logo is present in the desired location or not, and company branding colors are used or not is called GUI testing.
What is load testing?
Load testing conducted on the application to check whether it is able to handle the multiple users or not is called load testing.
What is globalization?
Globalization, testing the application to check whether the it is available in the global currency and the global language is known as globalization.
What is localization?
Testing the application to check whether it is available in the local language and local currency is known as the localization.
Okay, Vaishnavi. Good. Okay. We will inform in 2 days.
Okay,
All
sir.
the best.
Okay, thank you.